started in COVID, having doorstep conversations with people, and I began to realise that things needed to change. So we help families in crisis or times of difficulty with a wide range of things. Most of the time it's clothing, shoes, toiletries, just the basics to live. I think until you talk to someone, you don't realise how difficult it can be for other people.
We started very small. We had one box in the church and people would donate a few items. From there, it just started to grow. We began to expand.
I began working with the Parish Council Ministries UK. It's about helping people to help themselves. Walking around Parkfield streets, I could see children going to school with no coats on. Then I saw a project on Facebook called Coats for Kids. It's a national project, but there was no one in Wolverhampton running it. So I decided I would do it.
It was difficult in terms of having space to work from, so at the beginning everything was in my house. If people don't get a reply straight away, it's just because we're so busy. There's a lot going on in the background.
We're incredibly busy. Every morning at 9:30, the phone just never stops ringing.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, how can I help you?
How can I help?
We had just one small clothes rail that I kept in my office with the coats on. They went out as quick as they were donated. Once COVID hit, it was coats and it was clothes and it was everything else that people needed because they couldn't get it anywhere else. So hence we transformed into the Lifeboat Project.
There's a lot going on in Wolverhampton that people don't know about. For us, it's raising awareness and building everyone's understanding of what we're doing. I've always been the kind of person to help someone, and I'll always try to use my enthusiasm to pass on to someone else. If we can find little ways to make things a bit better, then great.
I don't know how we've grown to the scale we have really, but God is all I can say. Obviously, from a faith point of view, you have all these things of provision set up, but you need people. You need hands and feet on the ground. And the community spirit in Wolverhampton, I just think it's fantastic.
I've got several volunteers, but there's no such thing as too many volunteers. There is so much dedication from them. Some of the volunteers are asylum seekers and I support them with volunteer work because presently, well, they can't secure paid employment.
There are moments that are really sobering, which reminds you of the importance of the work that we are doing.
Mummy, do we have anything for breakfast?
I think what it has taught me over the 17 years is that generosity is prevalent among the community in Wolverhampton and its surrounding areas.
There are a few difficult moments when you see the kids coming in. For instance, a little lad came in a few weeks ago and his gait, the way he was walking, made me think, what on earth is happening there? And he's shuffling along on the floor.
Let me get you some shoes.
And his little face when I got him a pair of trainers that fit. It softens your heart to know that you're helping people. I've known hard times just as the family I work with have, and when I struggled I had people around me to help. A bit like a fairy godmother. I suppose I try to be that fairy godmother for the people. And when you see what you've done for people and how it can change their life so dramatically, it just makes it all worthwhile.